Hello everyone, welcome to my Science Tech channel. In this video, we are going to learn about gravitation. So let us see what is exactly the gravitation. Gravitation is nothing but whenever the force it is acting between the two objects, we can say, or the moment it is being done, or the attraction it is taking place between the earth, between the two objects, we can say. So that is nothing but gravitation. So it is given the introduction that we have seen in previous standard that the gravitation force is a universal force. So gravitation is nothing but we can say that is a universal force. It has been acting. So and it act only between two objects on the earth, but also between any two objects in the universe. Let us now learn what is the force was discovered, by which scientist it has been discovered. So gravitation, we learned the phenomenon of gravitation was discovered by Sir Isaac Newton. So the scientist, we can say, Isaac Newton, he discovered the concept of gravitation. What is exactly the gravitation? As the story, he discovered the force by seeing an apple. So he has taken the example of an apple, how the apple it has been fall on the ground. By that force he came to know what is exactly the gravitation on the ground, we can say. He wondered why apples fall vertically downward and not only angle to the vertical. Why do they not fly off in horizontal direction? So this was the question arising in the mind of, we can say, Sir Isaac Newton. So he came to find out what is exactly gravitation, what is the reason behind that. After much thought, he came to know the conclusion that earth must be attracting apples towards itself, and this attractive force must be directed toward the center of the earth, we can say. So in the diagram here it has been shown, we can say, how the apple it has been falling on the ground and the attraction it has been taking place. So that concept he came to know exactly what is a gravitation. The direction of the apple on the trees to the center of the earth is vertical direction, and the position of apple, and thus apple falls vertically downwards. On the left, to show an apple tree on the earth, the force of an apple the tree is towards the center of the earth, perpendicular from the its position, we can say. So that is the attraction it has been taking place. Newton thought that if the force gravitation act as an apple tree at different height from the surface of earth, much farther away from the earth. For example, we can say moon. Can it act ever farther large objects like other planet and the sun? The question it has been asked again, we can say. So force and motion. Basically, we say whenever we are applying any type of energy, so that is nothing but force. But whenever we are doing any movement, so that is the, we can say, motion. If we are changing the direction from one place to another, that is the motion. Next one, we are going to see here the introduction it is given about the scientist Sir Isaac Newton. Introduction to scientist. He was a very greatest scientist of recent time. He was born in England, we can say. He gave his laws of motion, equation of motion, and theory of gravity in his book. So the scientist has discovered exactly the concept of motion, and we can say gravitation. Newton did groundbreaking work in several areas including light, what is light, heat, sound, and mathematics. So he discovered many field, we can say, the different branches of mathematics, calculus, what is calculus, and ranking applications in physics and mathematics. Next one, circular motion and centripetal force. So what is circular motion? We can say in the diagram it is being shown, whenever we are taking any object and we are rotating in a circular way from the center of the circle, so it rotates in a circular way, so that is nothing but we can centripetal force. So force act on any object between along a circle and it is directed towards the center of the circle is nothing but we can say centripetal force. So here various explanation it is given of centripetal force. So this was all about, we can say, gravitational force and centripetal force. We have seen what is exactly the concept. Thank you all of you.